How to set up shipping on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, we want to scroll down until we see the option for settings. So simply click on settings here. Now you will be able to see this option for shipping and fulfillment. Define your store shipping regions and rates. If we click on it, then it will load a page like this, shipping and delivery here, and we can watch a guide here if we want to, or we can manually do it ourselves. So I'm going to show you how we can do this. For example, we can add a region here, and we can choose the region or destination which we would like to add. So for example, I'm going to do the United States, and it will include all 54 states here. We can also add multiple destinations from the same region. Now shipping, we can do the type of shipping which we want. So we can do free shipping, we can do a flat rate, we can rate it by weight, by price, or by product. So I will do a flat rate here for shipping, and now we have to set a shipping option name. So for example, I will do flat rate shipping here, and it's gonna look like this. And we can also add estimated delivery time. So how long is it going to take to receive this product? So for example, I'll do 2 days, 2-day shipping, and then the rate here, we actually set the currency, so it's in Bulgarian lev here, but you can set it to dollars and depending on your website's currencies. For example, I'll do 5. And we can also offer a free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount here. And we can also add other different shipping options. Now we will be given the option to add a handling fee to every order. So what is this? Extra costs needed for shipping, special protective packaging, or additional transport if we want to. And we can also add local delivery as well as pickup. So basically, after we have set this up, we will simply click on save here, and we will have successfully created a new region for shipping on our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.